It's a relatively straightforward one. If you were allowed to use your graphing calculator, how would you solve this one? What would we do? How do we solve equations graphically? Yeah. We'll put one equation into y1. We'll put the other equation into y2. And we'll see what happens. So if we go to our graphing calculator and clear out if you have anything else in there, and we type in the equation. So on the left-hand side, we had 8 over x squared plus 1. You can even use the fraction button if you like. 8 over x squared plus 1. And on the right-hand side, we had just x. Now, if I go to zoom and 6 to a standard window, there's my one equation. And here's my second equation. And they happen to intersect on the window I have already, which is nice. So now to find out where they intersect, we can go second, trace button to calculate, number 5 to intersect, push enter on your first graph, enter on your second graph, enter again to guess, and we get a value. Now the value comes with an x value and a y value because it's a point where they intersect, but since we're solving this equation for x, we are only concerned with finding our x value, and in this case x would equal approximately 1.8. So again, these questions that you are allowed to use your graphing calculator to solve, you don't have to solve them algebraically. It is really straightforward. You put one equation into y1, one equation into y2, and then you're looking for all the points that intersect. In our example, it only intersected at one point, and then we calculated that. Question you can do for practice with our graphing calculators is number 8.